Hey folks, still warm across the valley, but not like it was just a couple of hours ago. Now that the sun going down, temperatures have fallen into the upper 70s and low 80s rather than the upper 80s and even low 90s like we were earlier. 85 Rio Grande City, 78 Harlingen, 76 at the coast right now. Dew points in the 60s for the most part, a little higher in Brownsville at 70. We'll put the average on the Muggy meter and we're up here at about 67. So not quite as high as it was yesterday at this time, but still a little bit sticky out there across the valley this evening. Look at our lows and we're not going to get much below 70. We're going to be right at 70 as an average tonight for your low temperatures. And fog, probably a problem again, at least in a few spots. And then tomorrow, it's a very warm day. The front sitting just to the north of us. By the time we get to middle of the afternoon, the front likely coming through during the evening hours. So we've got all day for it to warm up, and it will do that, probably going 90 plus across a lot of the area. 82 at the beach, 89 Brownsville and Raymondville tomorrow. The next 3 days, the normal high is 80. We'll be 10 above that tomorrow at 90, and then 10 below that on Sunday at 70, and then back to 74 on Monday. This 90 is getting pretty close to the record tomorrow. A couple of places may get into the low 90s, a little warmer than that. Satellite shows not much going on across the region today, but let's watch the high-resolution future track, shall we? It says overnight we see patchy fog. That burns off back to partly to mostly sunny skies tomorrow afternoon, allowing temperatures to warm up. Tomorrow evening, sometime after dark, it may not be as late as what the model's suggesting, but certainly during the evening hours, this front will come through. Could trigger a couple of showers around the area. Nothing big, nothing widespread. Whatever it is will be fast moving. It'll get out of here. And by Sunday morning, clouds will thin out. There may be some lingering clouds right on the coast. Everybody else should see some sunshine. Another batch of clouds maybe Sunday night into Monday could move in once again, and that could give us slight chance for a shower on Monday. We're looking at 10% tomorrow evening with the front, and then Sunday's dry, and then Monday there's that 10% showing up once again. Rest of Texas tonight, 77 in Abilene to this hour. Dallas checks in at 81, 78 Austin, 80 in San Antonio, Houston at 76 degrees. Some clouds showing up in the northern part of the state. Our front is not quite in the state yet, but it's coming. There it is just to the northwest of Texas, and it really pushes southward in a big way tomorrow, and by midday or so, it's about halfway through the state. Likely coming into the valley again, probably sometime just after sunset. It pushes the warm air out of here. This model says by noon on Sunday, there's still clouds lingering on the coast, but everybody else gets back into sunshine. But it's a cool high pushing right into Texas, so that will cool things off pretty nicely for us on Sunday. Monday, the high starts to move away and the flow's back out of the southeast, but it'll take a day or so for the warmer temperatures to get back. I think by Tuesday, you're back in the 80s again, but then the next front comes in early Wednesday or late Tuesday night. Could bring some showers again, and then cooler weather for really Wednesday, Thursday, and again on Friday. So Thanksgiving at this point looks pretty pleasant. Let's look at the rest of the state. Maybe you've got travel plans tomorrow. San Antonio starts the day at 69 degrees, about 71 early in Dallas, 73 in Houston, but behind the front, 44 in Amarillo, 58 in Midland. By afternoon, readings bounce back up in the 80s here. A lot of the southern part of the state in the 70s. Once you get up into North Texas, you're looking at 60s at best tomorrow afternoon, courtesy of that front. So tonight, partly cloudy, warm and humid, a low of 71. Southeast winds, and tomorrow we're back up to 90. Late front, probably after sunset. Southeast winds early, turning around to the north at about 10 to 20. 90, 70, 74 the next 3 days. Then we're back to 85 on Tuesday. Look at the holiday, the 3 days. Wednesday, could still be some showers, 73 for Thanksgiving, about 71 after a low of 49. Friday, we're back to 76. Now tonight looks like a nice night for football, and that's exactly what's going on. Playoff football in Mission at the brand new Tom Landry Stadium, and Joel and Brandon are both out there live. Guys?